Alright, good afternoon everyone. Welcome to Harmony Stores Maryland. You're here with the show. Right here we have our PlayStation, we have a PlayStation 5, we have a PlayStation 4, and we have our console. Fantastic. And we have our console part, our controller too also. That one is also amazing. And we have the PS4 controller too also. It's cool, it's nice. And here we have our Samsung phones. We have all our phones. We have the Techno phones, we have the Samsung, we have the Redmi, and we have the Oppo in different type of gig, terabyte, gig, 120, 256, and 32 gig. And here we have our Logitech. We have our Logitech headset. Yeah, you can use this with your phone and with your computer and your playing stuff. You can use this. It has the controller. It has noise cancellation, and it's good and it's frequent. And here we have our tabs. Here we have our tab for kids tab. We have our kids tab and we have our adult tabs also. That's nice. They are in 64 gig and 32 gig. And here we have our JBL speaker, our JBL speakers, and our JBL headset. It is up. We have the upgraded one. We have the 500, we have the 510, and the 660. Then we have the AirBuds too. Also, they are also in good quality. Then we have our Fitbit, which I use for sports. It's good. It's nice. This is for your workout. It is affordable here in Harmony. Then we have our ORAIMO stand. Yeah, we have our power bank, we have our headsets, we have our earphone, we have our clippers too also. Then we have our chargers here, right here. They are very affordable. And our speakers too also. We have the boom one, then we have the ordinary one. It is affordable. And here we have our laptops. We have them in different types. We have them in HSD and SSD, and that is solid state hard drive and hard disk drive. It is wonderful. They are very affordable. It is cheap and they are very good in good and nice quality. And here we have our Logitechs. We have our Logitech keyboard it comes with mouse, and we have our mouse also. We have our webcam. It's cool and it's amazing. It is nice and it's affordable here in Harmony. You can come in and shop with us in Maryland anytime you want. And here we have our bezels. Here we have the charger. We have the power banks here. We have the mic. We have the cable, the converter. We have the car charger for bezels, and we have the code for bezels. It is affordable here in Harmony. And here we have our bezels refrigerator. It is affordable here. You can use this for your hiking. It is nice, and you can try this out in Harmony. We have Mercury. We have different types of VPN. We have the 1050. We have the 850. Then we have the 1550. And here we have our memory cards, our back case, and our screen guards for all different types of phones, from Samsung down to iPhone, from iPhone 6 down to 14, from Samsung M11 down to Samsung A71. We have a screen guard and both the back case. You can come and shop with us in Harmony. And we also have the mode. We have the different type of charger, the cord, the earphone. It is a very affordable. It's in a very affordable price too also. Yeah, and thank you for shopping with us here in Harmony. We'll be expecting more from you. Thank you very much.